Drive, which Drive is just the combination of all the things that you just had. So you can look here, and I have shared drives. I am part of all these drives right here. And I can go in there and say, oh, I want to see my roster for soccer, and I have that shared with all of the coaches and athletic directors. Or I go to my drive and I can create a folder. So I had this big lesson plan where it was a murder mystery party for Halloween. And so I put all my lessons having to do with the murder mystery party in this folder. Anything that is e-learning I put in my 2020-2021 folder. From here, I can upload, say I wanted to upload a file that's not a Google format thing. So like if I made something in Pages or Keynote, I can go right to any of my apps that I showed you. I can make a new folder saying, hey, I wanna put things in there. Or you can use your camera so you can take a picture. You can look right here, and I can look right here where it has those little people, and I can say, hey, so-and-so shared this with me, and I want to know where it is. I can look here, type it in my drive. You don't really use that. And then you can also make little checklists for yourself using priority. If you go over here, you can find your starred. You can find things that you set to offline. You can look in your trash and go, ooh, did I delete that? But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to mess with it a little bit to get used to it. And that's Drive.